Sabi itong cruise guys, tingnan nyo naman. 1, 2, 3. 5 minutes into this. Worth it. Sulit yung 1,059. Buffet with the view and the cruise experience, the live music. Grabe. Pinuha rin nasa K-drama. Thank you. Hey! Labis na naiinip. Yayamot. Happy birthday to you. Salamat Pia sa pa-birthday. Buffet talaga. Hi, Sawadikab from Bangkok, Thailand. This is Dave the Puripot Traveler, and for today's video, mag-cruise tayo. We got the Sunset Cruise from Klook. It's the Meridian Cruise. Naisip ko kasi itong Chao Phraya River, it's an iconic river. And napapanood ko din sa K-drama, just like King the Land, na nag-cruise yung main characters. So it's nice to experience this one. I'm with my friends. Kahit wala tayong jowa, I feel this will be a romantic and a happy cruise tour here in Bangkok. So yung likod din natin, it's Icon Siam. So ito ang may longest fountain in Southeast Asia. Ayan, sa likod natin, dyan nagpa-fountain show. So I can't wait to witness the fountain show as well. Pero mamayang gabi pa ata yan. So pumunta tayo dito, dyan sa Meridian Cruise. Meron ditong booth ng Meridian Cruise. And claim lang natin yung ating ticket. So second floor tayo guys. We went here, we arrived around 3:45. Tapos yung ano natin, departure ay 5 o'clock. Tapos standby tayo 20 minutes before. So 4:40 p.m. So yun, i-book nyo to sa Klook guys. You can use my promo code DaveKinoKlook para maka-discount kayo sa inyong activities and hotel in the Philippines or here in Thailand or anywhere in the world. So this is a 10-day Indochina trip. Thailand ang ating last leg na sinimulan natin sa Vietnam, then Cambodia. Ikado na po ka mo, nakita namon taga-Tacloban. Hello po. Ay, hindi. Sakto lang. Ang nice. Ngayon po ka mo Tacloban. Magic kami. Ano ka mga face? Phase 4. Phase 3 kami. Nice to meet you po. Okay na tayo ng cruise. Oh, this is nice. Yung binigay sa ating sticker, kailangan nating idikit. So, 20 minutes before the departure, dapat nandito na tayo. May assigned seats na rin naman tayo eh.
Oh, may assigned seats pala.
I think this is 17.
I think, oo nga.
This is it. I can't wait. Hey! Ang ingay. Oh my God, ang ganda. This is the vibe. Buti second floor tayo. Nilalagay sa remarks kung gusto yung second floor. I think kaya tayo nasa second floor. This cruise is worth 1,059 pesos. May pasamon si Mayor. Thank you. Wow. Buffet, so unlimited to. Nakaka-overwhelmed sa dami. Tara guys, kain. After dessert, kumuha. Dito naman tayo sa mains. Wow. Okay guys, the experience so far, like 5 minutes into this, worth it. Sulit yung 1,059. Buffet with the view and the cruise experience, the live music. Grabe. Tingnan nyo naman. 1, 2, 3. Pari lang makita. May salmon. And we get to taste the authentic pad thai, mga Thai food. Grabe. Mas malaglag ang phone. Saring. Guys, may live band. Pinuha rin nasa K-drama. Okay. Grabe, sulit talaga guys. So, and the view. Wow. Tapos, ay, mabalik. So, same. Kay malibot man. Mas maupit atong view kay gabi. Oh my God. Yeah. The what Freya. Five over 5.
5/5.
Grabe guys, para tayo na sa fine dining na 5-star.
Ay, ganda be.
Picture, video.
Video na. Thank you.
Okay.
There's a truth in your eyes saying you love. Andun naman ang mga tito guys. Mga farmers. I love it here. Guys, I super love this experience. Naiyak ako, ang ganda. Tag-alog na naman ang ating singer. Indonesia. Terima makasih. Pinoy.
Pinay lagi, bigay ng 8.
Hey! Mga kababayan pala natin ang singer. Labis na naiinip, niyaya mo sa bawat saglit. Umuwi ka na baby, di na ako sanay na wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. Mahirap ang mag-isa. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng paghihirap. Real guys, Pinoy yung singers. So kinantahan tayo ng hanggang kailan. By Orange and Lemons.
Yeah.
So imagine, Surreal singing here. Oh! Thai. Sound like Pinoy. Oh, wait, Indonesian! Gusto ko kinakanta nila yung Pinoy, Indonesian, kasi may Indonesian ano din, guess. I love it. So this feels like Buibien.
Chill na boy bien.
Na may Pinoy. So yun yung isa sa mga choices sa Klook, White Orchid. But I think mas feel ko to. Hey! Sorry. Solo nila. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Faye! Salamat, Faye, ha, sa pa-birthday. Buffet talaga. Thank you, Faye, for the birthday cake. For the birthday buffet. Dessert naman tayo this time and fruit. Guys, Pinoy yung mga singer dito. Ayan, si Ate at Kuya. At galing. Galing na mga Pinoy talaga. Sila po yung singer dito sa ano, sa cruise. TikTok ba nini? May na mga street seafood, kausan, tapos iba-iba, diverse. This ends our solid Bangkok cruise. Ang saya, guys. Grabe. Oh my God. Sulit, guys. Like, one for the books. And one of the best decisions we booked this one. Correct?
Yes, definitely.
Definitely, guys. Meridian Cruise. Ito ang pinakamura at the same time. Sulit, masaya, busog, may view.
Music pa, Pinoy na Pinoy.
And dito sa Iconsayam Pier yung Sundo, tapos departures. Sulit talaga, super worth it. Grabe, sulit. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is Dave the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best life. Bye-bye.